Alright, so we're going to make a chocolate fudge brownie now. Very straightforward recipe. Pretty much we're melting the butter. It's cut and diced up fine. We've got our chocolate, so we're going to put those on in a bain-marie. So just a water bath for a gentle heat. After it goes in, milk and the chocolate also. Stir while it's melting. And in this bowl, I've got 4 eggs. I'm going to mix the eggs and the sugar together. Just so it's a little bit paler, just a lovely design. In here, everything's coming along nicely. I just want everything to melt roughly at the same time, which is why I've cut the butter up quite small. What I've done with the pecans, I've just sliced them finely, just to give them a bit more, get the size down a little bit. We don't want to have whole pieces of pecan in it, we just want some small pieces, so just roughly chopped there. Flour's ready to go, and then I'm going to line a baking tray. Now if you've got no baking tray at home, you can use 2 small cake tins, even a couple of oven-proof frying pans, a roasting tray, anything you've got at home that's suitable size. I'm going to cut the corners at 45 degrees with this sheet of baking paper. It's going to help it line inside. So I've got the baking paper coming up the sides as well. So there you go. Just waiting for the last few bits of butter and chocolate to melt. And then it's just a case of folding everything together. See, everything's melted in there. It's all liquid and fluid. So into this into the egg mixture. What will happen, it will start to seize up quite a bit because the temperature is dropping. There's a lot of butter and there's a lot of chocolate in this. The flour is going to bring it together to become quite a lumpy mass, and then we're going to spread it out on the tray. So the nuts go in now. Last of all, the flour. Basically, just a case of getting everything incorporated into the mix. We don't have to do anything else than just getting it into the tray and bake. Put the oven on to 170 degrees. We'll check it after about 25 minutes, but usually I find with this mixture it takes about 30 minutes. It will depend on your oven at home. So check it after 20-25 minutes. Come back when this is ready. Just make sure it's even. We'll find its own level when it melts and goes in the oven, and then it will start to firm up as it cooks. Okay, so we're going to make a nice chocolate truffle cake. This one is reasonable use of bicarb soda, baking soda, so it's a chemically leavened cake. Right. So what we're going to do, we're going to pop some water on the boil. And what I've got here, I've got some flour, cocoa powder, yeah, I've got some baking powder, also bicarb soda, also some salt. I'm going to sieve this together. The main reason for sieving this is to get the raising agents distributed throughout the flour. So when we make the batter, it's not rising in one area and not in another. It also helps to get rid of these sort of lumpy bits of cocoa powder that can sometimes form when there's moisture in the air. So push those through. So into this mix, add in caster sugar, make a little well in the centre, and that's where I'm going to add my wet ingredients. So I've got 3 eggs, 1, 2, 3 eggs, milk, some vanilla essence, just beat that up lightly just to break the eggs down. While mixing it, I'm going to add the vegetable oil. Make a batter. To this batter, I'm then going to pour in the boiling water. If you're making this at home, you could put this on the mixing machine on the paddle attachment. Mix for 2 or 3 minutes, but doing it without in a bowl works just fine. I'm just going to add boiling water into this batter. It is a very thin batter. Don't be alarmed, that's still correct. The first time I made this one, I thought it was too thin, I thought I'd done something wrong. It's not, it's the way it is. It does rise quite sharply in the oven due to the bicarb and the baking powder. Perfect, that's the batter made. I'm going to pour that into these 2 trays that you have been given. I've sprayed these with oil just to be safe. I'm going to divide this mix between the 2 trays. Bearing in mind it's going to rise quite substantially. the oven. 170 degrees. I think it's going to take approximately 30 to 35 minutes. Basically until we poke it with a skewer, the skewer comes out clean, and then we know that the cake is ready. Okay, so my brownies come out of the oven, and they've been allowed to cool just for a little bit, so it's just a little bit warm now, right? And now we're going to make the ganache. Ganache to go with it, we've made it before, it's cream chocolate. So basically bring in the cream to the boil here, pour it over the chocolate, and while it's still warm we're going to let it settle on here. The idea is that the heat from the cream melts the chocolate and we get a sort of thick icing type consistency. So just coming up to the boil now. When it boils, pour it over, just let it settle for 30-40 seconds, just so the heat goes through the chocolate and then I can stir it. Okay, so boiling now. Let it stand for a moment. The heat go through it. And again, we're just trying to get all the chocolate into a liquid state so we get a fluid icing. Completely melted all the chocolate now. Pour it straight onto the brownie. While it's liquid, it's a good time to get it on there because we can use the tray, the edge of the tray, to hold everything in and move it around properly. Spreading it. Even coverage. Once we've got even coverage, move it around to make it smooth. Shake it. And that is it. It's the chocolate brownie. When this cools, we'll be able to cut it into slices. Great for a coffee shop, afternoon tea, morning tea type function. There is a way of doing gluten-free, so if we were to substitute some of the flour for almond meal, we could have a gluten-free brownie as well.